Hey everyone, so been busy, but I wanted to do another look with this using the more neutral colors. Oh, and the perfume is really, it smells really good. I tried it after the video. I forgot to try it for the video. But yeah, we're gonna go and use these neutral colors. I think I'm gonna start with that top color in my crease. I just put I have a Benefits RSVP, I think it's called, on. So that's what I'm using. We're going to dip into champagne right there. It looks like a rose gold. These are really pigmented, man. I'm going to dip into this highlighter right here. And I'm going to put that gold right in there. Right in that little tiny space that I have in there. Oh, these are for crease, but I guess my eyes are too small because this is just too fluffy. So I'm just gonna do regular black liner mascara, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I got a bunch of mascara in there. Usually in the past, I've been very successful that once it dries, you just go over it and it kind of like flakes off. You go over it with the color that you use for your crease, and it will flake off, and unfortunately it just smeared. So you'll see that in the picture. So like I said I was gonna do, for Valentine's Day I bleached my hair. Oh, and then for lipstick I used the Blushing Mauve glossy pencil or whatever. I just really don't like the color that's in the packaging, although that probably would have looked better. Yeah, so I used everything that was in that, and I put in my order for the Bretman Rock collection, and and it's on its way to me. So most likely next week I'll be doing some looks out of that for the next couple of weeks.